videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
It all begins in our cities, where post-consumer plastic is harvested as a valuable resource.
We also recover ocean-bound plastics, preventing pollution while sourcing raw materials for our fabric.
Tons of raw waste are funneled into our facility daily, ensuring a constant stream of production. Massive loaders move the feedstock into the first stage of our automated processing line. Our automated bag rippers ensure every piece of plastic is liberated for individual inspection. Initial screening removes small contaminants, dirt, and glass before the high-precision sorting begins. Expert sorters remove large, non-plastic items, ensuring the automated sensors downstream have a clear view. Powerful magnets instantly strip away any metallic impurities that could damage our machinery. Advanced eddy current technology ejects non-ferrous metals like aluminum with surgical precision. Ballistic separators use movement and gravity to distinguish between flat films and rigid containers.
Our AI-driven infrared sensors can identify the chemical signature of every single bottle in milliseconds.
High-pressure air jets instantly divert the identified polymers into their respective processing streams. We classify materials not just by polymer type, but also by color to ensure final product consistency. Regular manual audits guarantee that our automated systems are maintaining near-perfect purity levels. The transformation begins as raw bottles are reduced to uniform flakes, preparing them for deep purification. A high-temperature chemical wash strips away adhesives and contaminants at the molecular level.
Intense friction washing ensures even the most stubborn residues are scrubbed clean.
Density separation allows us to isolate the pure PET needed for our luxury fabrics. High-speed centrifuges spin at thousands of RPMs to flash dry the flakes for the next stage.
Removing fine dust particles is critical for achieving the high-clarity polymers used in luxury goods.
Even at the flake level, optical sorters ensure only the highest purity clear material moves forward.
Opening the bypass valve now.
Steady increase, right on target for the polymerization feed.
Consistency is achieved through rigorous blending, ensuring every thread produced has the same strength. In the heart of the factory, the solid flakes begin their final transformation into liquid polymer. Under immense pressure and heat, the plastic becomes a pure, molten fluid. Even at the liquid stage, we filter the melt to ensure the resulting yarn is flawless. Rapid cooling locks in the polymer's strength, creating durable raw strands. The strands are precision cut into uniform rPET pellets, the industry standard raw material for high-end textiles.
Each pellet is sized to perfection, ensuring a smooth and break-free spinning process later on.
With our raw rPET pellets finalized, we have successfully turned waste into a high-purity industrial resource.
Next, the raw pellets are transported to the spinning plant, where they begin their transition into fine textile fibers.
We enhance the molecular strength of our recycled polymer to ensure the final fabric is as durable as it is beautiful. The pellets enter the high-precision spinning extruder. They are melted again, but under even more precise temperature controls than before. At the molecular level, liquid plastic is reborn as thousands of microscopic filaments.
Chilled air instantly solidifies the threads, locking in the material's integrity. A precision coating is applied, preparing the delicate fibers for the high-speed machinery ahead.
Stretching the yarn aligns its molecular structure, creating a fiber that is incredibly strong and resilient.
Robotic handling ensures every spool of yarn remains pristine, ready for the next stage of luxury refinement.
Texturizing transforms cold plastic thread into a soft, breathable yarn with a natural feel.
Laser precision monitoring ensures that every inch of our yarn meets the exacting standards of luxury fashion.
We mechanically crimp the fibers to replicate the warmth and texture of natural wool. Cut into precise lengths, these recycled fibers are now indistinguishable from premium natural materials.
At the spinning mill, the fibers are loosened and prepared for their journey into yarn.
Millions of micro-teeth align the fibers into a delicate web of perfect purity. The wide web of fiber is funneled into a narrow trumpet and emerge as a thick, soft rope called a sliver. Through repeated drawing, we achieve the perfect fiber density required for high-fashion textiles.
This is the roving frame. The sliver is twisted, creating a stronger strand, the first step in adding structural integrity to the yarn. Twisted thousands of times per minute, the fibers are finally locked together into a thread of incredible strength.
Every meter is scanned for flaws, ensuring the loom receives only perfect, knot-free yarn. Thousands of threads are synchronized to form the foundation of our luxury fabric.
Using high-pressure air, we weave the threads together with surgical precision, creating a textile of unparalleled quality.
For activewear, our circular knitting machines create seamless, flexible fabrics with a soft, recycled touch.
Using revolutionary CO2 technology, we dye our fabrics without a single drop of water, preserving our planet's resources. Vibrant, deep colors are achieved through sustainable science, proving that recycled can mean remarkable. We mechanically finish the surface to create a hand feel that rivals the finest natural suedes and silks. Advanced nanotechnology adds performance, making our sustainable fabric water and stain resistant.
Our fabrics are engineered to last, outperforming traditional materials in every durability test.
Complete traceability from the source to the spool ensures our customers know exactly where their sustainable luxury begins.
The finished fabric now enters the final phase, transformation into high-end, sustainable apparel. Advanced AI nesting ensures that almost every square centimeter of our recycled material is utilized, minimizing waste.
Robotic lasers cut with surgical precision, sealing the edges of the recycled fibers to prevent fraying.
Even the threads we use are recycled, creating a circular garment that is built to last.
Ultrasonic technology fuses the fabric for a seamless, modern aesthetic.
Sustainability meets traditional craftsmanship, proving that luxury and eco-consciousness go hand in hand.
Steam finishing activates the fiber's memory, ensuring the garment retained its bespoke shape for years.
Every piece is digitally scanned to ensure it meets our rigorous standards for fit and finish.
Embedded RFID technology allows us to track the garment's journey from our factory to the customer.
Even our packaging is part of the solution, crafted from fully biodegradable and recycled materials.
The finished products are automatically packed and labeled for international destinations like Milan.
Efficient logistics reduce our carbon footprint, completing our commitment to the planet.
Our journey concludes with zero-emission transport, delivering luxury to the world's fashion capitals.
From local waste to global luxury, the transformation is now complete.
The final destination, a world-class boutique where sustainability is the new standard of excellence.
By scanning a simple code, the consumer discovers the remarkable journey of their garment, from ocean waste to the hanger.
It feels like silk, wears like wool, but it started as a discarded bottle. Today, recycled materials are the stars of the world's most prestigious runways.
The world is watching as we prove that waste is simply a resource in the wrong place.
Our impact is measured in millions of bottles diverted from our oceans and thousands of tons of CO2 saved. We are not just making fabric, we are restoring the beauty of our planet.
Okay, scanned. We'll make sure this gets fully recycled so the cycle can begin again.
Behind every thread is a team of thousands, working to build a better future for fashion.
Designers no longer have to choose between luxury and the planet. We are already inventing the next generation of recycling technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible.
Our mission spans the globe, bringing sustainable luxury to every corner of the world.
Thank you for joining us. Together, we are weaving a better world, one bottle at a time.